Well, the market today opened in a positive way. There was no bad reaction to the rating cut from Moody's, and I think because investors already discounted the cut in the rating after Standard & Poor's already did last month. The meaning of this cut, even if it's a huge cut, because it's a cut of 3 notches from the previous AA2 to the single A2, is more or less the same reason that Standard & Poor's already declared in their statement, so that this fiscal reform is it's a good reform from the way of cut all the major expenses and the current expenses, but it's not a movement to improve the growth of the GDP. Sono tutti quanti in BNL che è sempre di BNP Paribas. Quindi noi dobbiamo essere integrati dentro BNL. Italy is still on a high part of the scale. We are not more high quality debt, but we are still good quality debt. We are in the scale of the investment grade, we are in the middle.